चंद्र सुदर्शन हाथ, मोर मुकुट शीश पर सजे, तू ही जगन्नाथ. Good morning to everyone present here. Today we all are gathered here for celebrating Shri Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna is Hindu god of compassion, protection and love. He is 8th avatar of Lord Vishnu. There are three main stages of incarnation of Krishna: the baby, the lovers and the sage. Krishna is known by 108 different names and popular names are Mohan, Kana, Govinda, Gopala. Krishna born in Ashmi Tithi in Savan Mas in Mathura by Devaki and Vasudev. Temples across India are decorated and Krishna is also decorated and world get decorated. And it is rightly said by Krishna, Yada Yada hi dharmasya glanirvakti bharata अभ्युत्थानं धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. जब धर्म की हानि होती है तब तक मैं पृथ्वी पर जन्म लेता हूँ. बोलो कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की
जय. जो है अलबेला मत वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रज की हर बाला, वो कृष्णा है, वो कृष्णा है, जो है अलबेला मत कहनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रज की हर बाला, वो कृष्णा है, वो कृष्णा है, कृष्णा है. बांसुरी कृष्ण की बाजेगी,
person. He had so many gopis around him, and he was friend to so many, everyone. And also he used to spread joy and happiness wherever he went. That's one of the most important things I love Krishna. Because some days it is difficult for us to share joy and happiness. We think only I should be happy. Sometimes we think like that, isn't it? But Krishna was a symbol of love, compassion, courage. And he taught, most importantly, he taught to stand for right, always. To stand for right and also to follow the path of truth. So dear children, as you celebrate Janmashtami, so it's on Monday, we are celebrating today, you need to remember at least 4 points. And all of you away, you know what is, but then you need to keep in mind and you need to repeat and you need to continue to be that. So first of all, as I already said, he taught us to stand for right. And you think, is it easy to stand for right? Is it easy to stand for right? Sometimes it's not easy, it is very difficult. Even if the situation is very difficult, you need to stand for truth always. Stand for right always and follow the path of truth. That's one point. Secondly, treat everyone with love and respect. Sometimes what happens? Some people we treat them with love and respect, but some people we don't respect. Yes or no? Yeah, knowingly or unknowingly we do that. But today, on this beautiful occasion, you need to take care of the second point, to treat everyone with love and respect. Very good. Third point is, be courageous and brave in all the situations of life. And as children, sometimes what happens? When you fail in one subject or when you are scolded by a teacher, you lose heart. Whatever be the situation, you need to be brave and courageous. Never to lose heart. This is the third point. And the fourth point what I want to say, never ever give up. Always try to keep trying. Some of the students very easily give up. So for example, you participate in singing competition, you sang and then you don't get a prize. Or some other students laughed at you. So what do you think? Some of the students think, I will never sing again. Yes or no? Yes. But you should never do it. Whatsoever happens, you always need to keep trying. Never stop. So dear children, this beautiful occasion of Janmashtami, remember the teachings of Lord Krishna. He was a friend to everyone. And what did he do? Wherever he went, he spread joy and happiness. Very good. So on this auspicious occasion, I pray for everyone, your every family, your parents, brothers, sisters, dear and near ones, and we pray for each other. We love each other. And I am sure, looking at you, all of you are like little Krishna sitting here, full of potential and greatness. You can also become a great person. You know the life of Krishna, what all naughtiness he did when he was very small, isn't it? Yes or no?